Sharp Aquos R2 has one camera for photos, a wide-angle camera for videos. The Sharp Aquos R2 has just been announced by the Japanese company, bringing quite a few impressive specs to the table. However, the most interesting feature might be the dual camera setup. Sharp offers a 22.6 MP camera for stills, while the second camera is a 16.3 MP super wide-angle 135 degrees shooter devoted to video. The company says it a world-first feature, showing off the setup in several YouTube videos as well. Phones have been capable of simultaneous image and video capture for years, but they traditionally take a screenshot from the video instead of a full-blown photo. So your image resolution is dependent on your video capture resolution. By dividing the duties between the two cameras, Sharp shows you don't have to settle for low-resolution screenshots while filming. If juggling photo and video duties seems a little much, the phone can automatically take photos while you film instead. Look at the front of the phone and you'll find an essential style notch for the 16.3 MP selfie snapper. The 6-inch IGZO LCD screen is also worth a mention, offering a 19:9 screen ratio and 3040x1440 resolution. The company also claims it a high-speed display, which suggests a 120Hz refresh rate. Last year Aquos R2 packed the tech. As for horsepower, the device is certainly nippy on paper. They're a top-flight Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of expandable storage. A 3130 mAh battery powers everything, which is the biggest flagship battery around. Other noteworthy specs include water dust resistance PX5/IPX8/IP6X to quote Sharp, Android 8.0 Oreo, the ability to use the screen with wet hands, Dolby Vision for HDR content, and Dolby Atmos audio support. Yes, it looks like a headphone jack is present at the top of the device. It's unclear whether the Sharp Aquos R2 will see a wider release, but, judging by the firm's recent track record, we shouldn't hold our breath. Still, the dual camera setup is intriguing, so we're hoping we get our hands on it.